this video, you will get to know about the satellite. Zona, why are you doing this? Stop acting like a satellite.
What? What is a satellite?
You don't know about the satellite? Satellite is a small object that revolves around a larger object in the outer surface.
Can you please give me the example of this?
Yes, think of an object that revolves around another object in space. Like the planets revolve around the sun. Planets are the natural satellites that revolve around the sun.
Is there an artificial satellite too?
Yes, let's take a closer look of types of satellites. There are two types of satellites, natural satellites and artificial satellites. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the natural satellite, a natural object that revolves around another larger natural object in outer space is called natural satellite. Like you can see, the planets are revolving around the sun. There is an orbit in which the moon is surrounded the outer surface of the earth.
Now, what is the orbit?
An orbit is the curved path of an object around any other object. All the planets have different numbers of the moon. Do you know Mercury and Venus has no moon? Earth has one moon and Mars has two moons. Similarly, all the planets have different number of moons. And the moons are the natural satellites of planets and planets are the natural satellites of the sun.
Sun is a natural satellite too?
No, sun is not a satellite. Because all the planets are revolving around the sun. Everything in the space that revolves around the object is a satellite and the sun does not revolve around any object.
What are artificial satellites?
Yes, artificial satellites are the man-made object designed to be placed in an orbit around the earth or other larger natural objects.
Why do you need an artificial satellite?
Yeah, that's a good question. Artificial satellites are used to transmit and receive the signals, reports and pictures. Like in global communication, television broadcasting and weather forecasting, we use the artificial satellites. Oh my god, what are you doing, Zona?
I want to make my ball an artificial satellite.
Oh no, that's not how we send an artificial satellite into space. The satellites are sent into space through a rocket or a space shuttle.
Oh, now I understand what the satellite is.
Now, do you know the first satellite is launched or sent to a space in 1957 and its name is Sputnik 1, that means the satellite for communication purposes. That's all. Now, can you solve this question? How can we find our location anywhere in the world?
Yes, we can find our location anywhere in the world through an artificial satellite.
How? Can you please explain this?
There is a global positioning system also known as GPS, and also the artificial satellite help transmit signals from the satellite to the receiver.
Yeah, that's great. I think now you know about the satellites. Now let's come to the summary points. Satellite is an object that revolves around the larger object in the space, and natural object that revolve around another natural object is called the natural satellite, such as the planets and moons. Now, the artificial satellites are the man-made object designated to be placed in the orbit around a larger natural object. And last, artificial satellites are used for global communication, weather forecasting, television, and broadcasting.
Alright, thank you for giving me such an interesting information.